Welcome back, everybody, for another trading recap. Today we're going to mainly be focusing on Tesla and how the Goldman Sachs new price target of 780 in my eyes was the reason of today's pump and nearly hitting almost 600 today. But before we get into the analysis, guys, all I ask for is just to leave a like on the video. That's it. Subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. For more free content, check out our first link down below, and let's get right into it. This is our free chat, guys. Yesterday we swung SNDL, and as you guys might have seen, SNDL spiked right after we bought. So not even a couple minutes after we bought around the 73, and it spiked to 80. And I said I was just waiting for a test towards the low 80s. I should have sold. I should have just went with my plan. Today we sold at the market open. We still took some profits, but not as much as we would have if we would have sold into the market close. This is why you always have to go with your gut. I'm looking for a possible re-entry right around the same price. I didn't necessarily get that price today, and it's taking off towards the 80s. Now, the bigger picture, we look around the 15-minute chart. The uptrend is still here. It's still looking very solid, and if you guys study your patterns, this looks like an amazing ascending triangle about to break out, about to test that whole number at 1. Whole number, again, for Tesla is 600 that I'm watching, and I've been saying this before, Tesla is just, to me, a day trading. I'm just going to be day trading it. I don't feel too comfortable swinging it. But that's not to say we can't see a 600 push tomorrow headed into Fridays, which tend to be usually the worst days out of the week to trade. But this 5-minute chart, that resistance there at 599 is still there. And usually when it breaks past the whole numbers, it usually tends to spike $5 to $10. In this case, 7.8. I think we could see 610 tomorrow. Let's see if I'm right. And if we do see a morning breakout, also be aware for those profit takers. But that whole number here is going to definitely have a huge influence on Tesla. Another one that I'm waiting for, two tickers that I'm still waiting for to pull back in the same sector are NEO, which I should have taken the 38 buy yesterday. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys know I want to get in right at 35. So if we see another double bottom here at 38, I won't hesitate to get in, which is, it might be a stretch. I don't think we can see a pullback down to 38 again, possibly the $43 mark. I don't know, but I'm patiently waiting for this one to pull back. One that's almost reaching my target. I still have my alerts, as you can see here, at 51.78 and at 45.70, which was towards the lows of yesterday, is Xpev. On the 4-hour, however, it's still maintaining a pretty decent uptrend, but as you can see, it's coming down under the EMA. Alibaba, which is another one that we missed. We completely nailed the prediction. As of yesterday, I said be careful and watch the EMA, because let me get a better. This is a better time frame on the 1 hour. After this gap down, we look at the resistance here at EMA. Usually, what tends to happen is as soon as it starts breaking past the EMA here, it tends to spike. I saw that on Tesla on another time frame today as well. Here, same thing. Look, as it's coming out under the EMA breaks above EMA, has a spike. And this one happened on a shorter time frame as well. Right around here, look. See, these patterns work on every time frame. Rejection, find some support, higher lows, and then it breaks out from this candle of 584 to 588. So that happened on Alibaba today on the time frame, coming up from the 264s. I don't know why my alert didn't go off here, all the way to the 268s. To me, now I wait for a pullback, guys. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. Zoom, it's right under the EMA, same position in here. Tomorrow this can either reach the 529s or it's going to either pull back down to the 376s. So I think that's pretty much it for my stocks. I'm keeping the watch list very small. I'm not trying to expand it. I'm trying to keep my focus. My main focus, of course, guys, here is Tesla. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another trading day. Take care.